Hey guys, so here is my MISTO oil sprayer, and it's for cooking oil. I use it for anytime I'm doing barbecue or any cooking task to spray oil. And one of the problems I was running into, which is one of the most common problems, is it stopped spraying. It was a steady stream of oil anytime I was trying to spray, so the air wasn't mixing up with it, and so I'll show you how to clean this. The best way is to take everything off, take it apart, and I'm boiling it in a pan and let it boil. And what that boiling hot water does is take out all the oil that is stuck on the plastic pieces and even the nozzle, which here in this case. And just take everything apart, put it in water, and just make sure everything is submerged. And probably leave it there until you see the water really hot boiling, and that will take everything. So here you can see the water is boiling, and what I did was I emptied the bottle and put it upside down to clean the heads, because there was a lot of contamination of oil on top of the threads. And another thing I did was I added 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and that just helped speed up the process and helps with cleaning. So I'll probably boil this for another 3 minutes or so, and then I'll stop and start washing all the parts with this washing soap. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this water and same hot water and pour it in, and pump the same water, put everything together and pump it. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same boiling water, hot water, and pump it. So next thing what I'm going to do is take the boiling water. So next thing I'm going to do is take that same boiling water and pour it in and put everything together and start pumping through that spray. So all that hot water will take all that gunk out. Okay, another thing you can use is a toothbrush to clean the nozzle, and they are fine bristle that goes in there. This is how you assemble everything together. The washer goes right here, the spray nozzle goes on top, and that's pretty much it. And one thing I learned that I do want to share with you guys: don't boil this. This piece is removable, so you can pop it out, and I didn't know, so I boiled the whole thing, and it kind of like messed up the finish on top. So there's not really a need to. You can wash this. I mean, if you have oil on this, don't boil this. This cleaned out very good. This has a lot of contamination on it, so if you boil this, it'll clean up pretty good. What I did was I filled it up with half hot water, and it says right there fill only halfway, and let's see how it sprays. Well, one thing you need to do is pump it to build pressure. So the bottle do get hot, so you want to hold a piece of cloth in there, and there you go. Now you can see it's nice spray, and let the whole thing spray, because you do want the nozzle to be all clean. Another thing I added in there was a little bit of dishwashing soap. It just helps clean anything, and you just want to hold it up straight and let it spray, and that's it. It's nice and clean, and we can fill it up back with oil.